Alright guys, what's going on? Welcome back to another video. Before we get started, the people that hate it, they're like, oh my god, I cannot stand when John does a giveaway because he talks about it for 1 minute. For 1 damn minute. I bet you spend more time scrolling through TikTok looking at useless shit that you don't even want to see than hear me talk for 1 minute about my damn giveaway. This right here is going to be someone else's 80s ship box. Right now it's mine. It's extremely fast. Honestly, out of all the giveaways I've done, I'm kind of worried about giving this one away because this one is a lot of car and can be dangerous if the right person is not comfortable and acquainted with it. But this is what we're doing. A giveaway on Brown Sugar, my 84 Cutlass, Holley EFI, 94mm turbo, big ass radiator, air-to-air intercooler, power glide transmission, strange 12-volt rear end. It's got plenty of fuel to make well into the thousands of horsepower. I've already made 1,000 horsepower with this thing. We've been as fast as 540 at like 138 in this thing. It's got a chromoly cage, frame notch, anti-roll bar. It is done up right. I was going to keep it myself, and I decided to give it away, so I redid a bunch of things. Brown and Miller lines, just updated on Holley Terminator, so it's got Holley boost control. It's like, this is, if I were to give away one of my cars, which I am, like one of my personal cars, this is what you get. This is what I drive around. This is what I race on Thursday Night Testing Tunes. Go out and grudge race, have some fun, take it to no preps. This can be yours. lsnasty.com. Every dollar you spend gets you an entry to win. That thing's badass. We got a whole new lineup of badass merchandise. We got stuff under there in like the past collections category where it's double entry, so you guys can get double the entries early. And we got some brand new badass Black Sheep record-setting t-shirts, which you guys need to get. Everything, lsnasty.com, first link in the description below. Go there, get entered, because you cannot win that thing. You can't win it. It will not be sitting in your garage, sitting in your driveway if you're not entered to win. All right, we got Matt. Got a new haircut here. Matt, it's been a day. David, tell him about the day.
Well, we were making some killer progress.
Killer.
And
Killer.
To a slight roadblock.
Roadblock.
Slight miscalculation.
Slight. Whose fault was it?
But hey, I think we're on the right track now.
All right, Matt. We love a good story time. Matt, tell him about my oops. My oops.
Which one? Oh. So, all this was bolted on the intake, and we're like, oh, we're just going to fab everything up. So we built the charge pipe, built all the lines, built everything to it.
He's talking about this elbow and throttle body.
Yeah. And the spacer that was used is too small, so whenever, yeah, all that is where all our vacuum stuff was referenced off of. So
Slight miscalculation. Slight miscalculation. My bad, but we are close on Hank. We said we're going to get fired up. We're here working. We're thrashing. We're getting it knocked out. We just finished all of the plumbing, all of the cooling, wheels and tires, rear end. Shout out to Zach. We got this thing all put together on the ground. Home stretch? What? Are we on the home stretch? He's excited. He's very excited if you can't tell. I'm excited. Look, I got my safety glasses on. Been doing some cutting. Been doing some grinding. I'm bringing the energy. That's what you guys need. It's a giveaway time. Brown Sugar. Come on. Show you guys my hard work. I'm very proud of this. This car here is like the first car that we really built. I mean, the Black Sheep we pretty much built front to back minus the chassis. But this thing, front to back, head to toe, we've done in-house, myself and Matt. Haven't outsourced anything except for the motor. All the machine work is done by TCAM Performance. So look at this. We got our fuel system all up there looking bad to the bone. Look at this. Look at this. We're under our fuel line, all properly secured. Look at that going right up. Dude, that shit looks good. I don't care who you are. And then we got our cooling system. Look at this. Rear mount radiator. We got our surge tank set up. Look at that. Matt used some diamond plate. I don't think I was supposed to show you guys that, but I did. Look at this. We got our dash 16 line running back to our rear mount radiator. Oh my god. Ready to whoop some ass and drive it around? Are you kidding me? We got our 2 MagnaFuel fuel pumps there. This quite possibly could be the nicest street car that has ever left LS Nasty / Nasty Racing HQ ever. Matt, what do you think? The most bad. You gotta match the energy. Woo! Alright, that's better. We're getting somewhere now.
best damn street car in South North Carolina.
Oh my god. So yeah, this is badass Black Sheep Stage 1. We got the Lamb Cam in there, twin force inductions, turbos, air-to-air intercooler. And honestly, I'm so petty. I built this entire car to whoop up this kid, Joey Salsa, down in Florida. He always hangs out with Chris Dillman in the Raven. But Joey Salsa is getting smoked. He's got a new edge. He thinks that he's fast. He's got a mod motor. And like, he always picks with me. He's like, hey man, come down here and bring brown sugar. Bring the cow. I'm gonna flip you over. Well, I bring something that sits exactly the same as him. Exactly the same. His might sit even like more like race car. Stock blocks, stock heads, radiator, street car, headlights, taillights, turn signals. Got it all. 8.8 rear end. And I'm literally gonna shove my foot so far up his ass. I don't even know what he's gonna do. I don't even know what he's gonna do, but he's getting it. Joey Salsa, your days are coming. Yeah, shout out to Matt for fixing my mistake. Shout out to Matt for fixing my mistake. Is that boost leak free?
Boost leak free.
Hell yeah. What do you gotta say to Joey Salsa? I told him I'm gonna shove my foot so far up his ass. What do you think? What's actually gonna happen? New edge on new edge crime.
New edge on new edge.
Sitting exactly the same, stock blocks. He's like got a mod motor and all this other stuff. And
mod motors go pretty fast, stock block.
They can. That's what I'm saying. He's definitely got the advantage. But what are we gonna do to him, Matt? We're gonna go forward in time.
We're gonna do some chips and dips, and it's him being the salsa.
Oh, that was pretty slick. David, what are we gonna do to Joey Salsa with that new edge? We're gonna bust that ass. We're gonna make it jiggle. Did you say that? David, did you say that? Did you hear David say it? I thought I heard him say it.
Cool. Time travel conundrum.
All right, so we're gonna get back to work here. That's one hell of an intro. That's all I can say. What's the game plan? Put it together. Build the car.
Build the car.
What's that?
I just got another flood warning. We're about to get flooded out for the third night in a row.
Again?
Yeah.
Oh yeah. So the shop flooded the other night.
Almost.
Our drainage worked great. The ditch was full, but the roof gave out back there. So I had to go and buy a shelf to get my stuff off the floor. So shout out to Lowe's for just hammering me. And then I bought another shelf. So dude, always improving. Working on the cars, working on the shop. We got the work truck. Mason's doing a cam swap in that. Hell yeah.
Hell yeah.
Hell yeah.
Ava, hit us with a hell yeah. She ain't barking after David made that comment. After David made that comment, she's like, I ain't saying nothing around David.
Hey.
All right, guys. Still grinding away on Hank, making some progress. We got a lot of the little odds and ends stuff done here. Stuff that takes time. Matt, you want to go over some of the stuff quick? What we've been doing, what we've been working on? No? Matt's like over it at this point. It's a late night, pouring rain, shop's leaking again. It's like deja vu in here.
We're gonna make some battery cables right now. Just been kind of putting it together, final assembly, cleaning stuff, making sure there's nothing down in the motor, making sure that the intake's clean, make sure all our lines are clean.
RTV.
Yeah, RTV. So we got some of our coolant stuff done. This is going to be our turn out of the surge tank into the water pump suction side. We have our vents from a high pressure side here and our steam vents going into this. So this is going to be where we fill it. Everything else will be capped off. So this will bleed all the air out of the system. This is at the highest point and it's at the highest pressure. So that will help with our rear mounted radiator setup. Been mountain lines.
Mountain lines?
So we've been mounting the lines, fuel lines, coolant lines. Got the rear end all the way together.
It's sitting on the ground right now on its own properly. First time ever. For us, at least. I don't know. It's probably still in the air a little bit. It's a monster truck in the rear, so we're gonna have to we're gonna cut the spring. What do you think?
Yeah.
It's just, I don't know what is up with that. They ordered springs for a big block, but they thought they were just carrying it in the trunk.
Something like that. So we did that. We did some caulking.
Oh, let's check it out. Hold on, let's check it real quick. Do you mind? We'll check it out. No. What are we about to do? Check out my what?
Cock.
I I did a real professional job. Look at this beadlock wheels on here, badass. Are we gonna get rid of the 29s? Oh shit. Well, I thought I said clear, dude. How long does it take to dry?
I mean, with the humidity and temperature, it's probably going to take a while. Right now, it's just like substance white.
I can see we have some gaps right there. But overall, I mean, dude, not bad for me just laying my cock down.
Yeah.
You can see here I got it from the top. Hold on.
Oh my god.
Cover that up. Just leave that right there. Radiators are out of it. Look at how beefy these lines are. They are big. We built these lines on the car, which is nice. Look at how nice. I literally took my phone out and did a video of this because I'm proud of this. This is like really the first time we've done something start to finish in-house.
Yeah,
really, we've done everything.
You've done a lot of it too. This is like your first.
Like I've been. That's why it takes so long. I literally did most all of it. This is a real like Matt's supervision, like me holding the flat. Like he's holding the flashlight for the first time, and he's like, "Hey, do this," and I do it. He's like, "Why'd you do it like that?" And I'm like, "Well, you told me to." And he's like, "No, you can't use WD-40 on O-rings. It makes them swell." And I'm like, "I didn't know." But look at me. We're over here at my swelled O-rings and all, and we got it together. We got some 8.0 clamps holding it. Like, dude, this thing right here is nice.
Yeah, I think it's going to be a good, we spent some time, it's going to be a good, we put it together and we just go race it, and we're not working on it all the time, and we're not changing this and having to worry about this, so.
Buy ones, cry ones, do it right the first time, save you some time in the long run.
Yep, everything's good. We got our trans cooler up front. It's going to have really great airflow through the bumper. Cooling system, I don't foresee any kind of issues. We should be able to cruise this thing on the hottest days and not have any problem.
Moroso pan, so we should be all right there with
60 foot.
60 foot. It's got a nice converter in there, so that should be questionable about the converter, though.
Yeah, I don't really know.
Maybe you have to go to Circle D if this one's not getting it done for us. We're gonna give it a shot and see. Converters, sometimes you have to do that, but
yeah, good. It's got
I like Terminator. We're gonna do the input-output module, so we're gonna have shock travel on this. Street car wise, it's gonna be pretty decked out. Shock travel, G meter, wheel speed.
Yeah, CO2 boost control. Like,
Are we gonna do no preps with this?
we're gonna do all the preps. No prep, some prep.
Drag and drive prep.
Drag and drive.
Big Ford guy here. Do you approve? That's the real question. Does the big Ford guy approve?
Oh yeah, love a new edge.
Loves a new edge. Got a new edge hood on his car. This old hood. You guys haven't seen that yet.
Big secret. You can put a new edge hood on an SM9.
Next week, we're going to the track with your car.
Doesn't work.
So pulling wheelies. Big 60-foot guy.
Got a little work.
All right.
I'll ride the jet ski to the track next week.
I
almost put it in the creek.
Yeah, it's been.
Oh, I mean, you can go do it right now. It's not too late.
It's been
You've had
raining
an opportunity the past 3 nights.
so much. Raining so much around here, but I'm excited about
I lied
this.
about the rock thing. There's actually some major rocks in there.
Yeah, there is.
Really, once we get it done, fired up, which won't be tonight, probably be maybe the next video you guys see. Then after that, it's like the little things, alignment, tune it. Where are we going for the dyno?
I mean, we've just been revving them up in the shop, so it's been working out okay.
It really hasn't working out okay, which is kind of pathetic. But yeah, no, maybe go up to the. We need to get a horsepower reading on it. It's got a Black Sheep Stage 1, so we can go out there and make a smooth 1,000 horsepower, and this thing won't even sweat it. So, but overall, I mean, I'm very pleased with it.
Yeah, I probably got a TKM.
Yeah, it'll be good. It'll be good. So, all right, well, I don't know what else we're going to do in this video, but I know what you guys need to do, and that's go down to lsnasty.com, which is the first link in the description below, and pick up some merchandise to get entered to win brown sugar. I will say this. This is definitely going to be faster than brown sugar, but brown sugar can hang in there a little bit.
Yeah.
I mean,
It's got the character too.
yeah, it does. It does. It's got a bigger turbo than these. That's for sure. So you guys can go down, first link in the description below. Every dollar you spend is an entry to win. We got the most badass Black Sheep shirt out ever. It's got our world record pass on there, and the car looks absolutely sick in the picture. So be sure to grab those. We got hats, socks, boxers, shirts, fries, they'll cross your eyes, hoodies. Go to lsnasty.com. First link in the description below. Every dollar you spend is an entry to win. We'll see you guys in tomorrow's upload.